Hey folks, welcome to my channel, Education Chronicle. This is Abhishek Desarkar, career coach, motivational speaker, and overseas education consultant. Today I'm going to discuss with you a very interesting topic. And this video is for all those IT personnel. If you have completed your BTech in information technology or computing, do you know which destination you should go abroad for your higher studies so that you get a very good prospect of placement? This country is world's second largest software exporter, and this country is recognized internationally as a leading location for companies in the software sector. 16 out of top 20 global technology firms have strategic operation location in this country, including Microsoft, Google, Apple, and Facebook. This country's reputation as a center of software excellence is unparalleled, unmatched in entire Europe. It is a home to over 900 companies, mainly software companies, which includes national as well as multinational companies. And they employ more than 24,000 people. This country earns a revenue of 16 billion euro annually. Yes, this country is Ireland, which enjoy a very strategic location in entire Europe, as well as it enjoys a European Union membership. Moreover, this is the only country in entire Europe which speaks in English. So all this proposition makes it more attractive for the multinational software company to come and operate in Ireland. Moreover, it enjoys an incredible relationship with the United States thanks to its strong influence of the Irish diaspora throughout America. In 2018, Linden revealed a list of skills, both technical and application specific, that are currently in demand for the Irish software sector. So folks, if you are BTech and are looking forward to go for a master's program in Ireland, so my recommendation will be look out for the course which is MSc in Applied Software Development. I will be very happy to guide you personally in selecting your college as well as the university that you're looking forward, keeping in mind your financial credential as well as your academic credential. And I'm optimistic that after the completion of the proposed course in Ireland, you will be getting an excellent job opportunity which will definitely change the dynamics of your future career prospect. I look forward to welcome you all in Advent Education so that we can help you in selecting the best institute for you as well as the best university. So folks, please subscribe this channel and share it among your friends so that we can make more such videos which will help you for your career progress. Thank you very much. God bless you.